Are you ready? Let's do this. Let's start implementing our multiple linear regression model. So I just double clicked on it. If you like Google Collaboratory, feel free to open this link with me, open with Google Collaboratory. And if you don't like Google Collaboratory, that's totally fine. You can open this file with Jupyter Notebook, but from your folder, which you downloaded on your machine. All right, choose your favorite and here we go. Let's implement our multiple linear regression model. All right, so first remember that this file is in read-only mode, which means that we can't modify it. But no worries, we're going to create a copy right away by going to File here and then click Save a Copy in Drive. This will, as you can see, create a copy in which we will be able to re-implement this multiple linear regression model from scratch, because indeed, I remind that this course is an action-based course in which I want you to take action as much as you can, and therefore we're going to re-implement this whole model from scratch together, step by step, and I really want you to code with me at the same time so that you know the practical skill can really be well integrated in your head, okay? So let's do this. Let's first start by removing all the code cells here, and only the code cells, not the text cells, because I want to keep that well highlighted structure for this implementation. So here I'm just removing all the code cells. There we go, and perfect. So this is the whole structure of this implementation. We can have a look at it here. And indeed, that's why, I wanted to brainstorm on the dataset with you first before showing you the structure in order to make you think what we must do in the data preprocessing phase. And as we said, we need first to import the libraries, then import the dataset, that's for sure. And then here we go, we need to encode the categorical data, and more specifically that state column, which contains indeed 3 categories. And then of course we split the dataset into the training set and the test set. That's a must, and that will close the data preprocessing phase, and we will all be ready to start training, well, first building and then training the multiple linear regression model on the training set. And by doing this, our model will understand the correlations between all these spends of those startups and their generated profit. And so there we go, we will get a smart model which we will be able to use on new observations, and that's exactly what we'll do as a last step here to predict the test set results.